Today's fit tip is about progressive overload and how you can implement it. What is progressive overload? To be explained the most simply, to increase strength, increase muscle mass, increase your performance, like running a mile, you have to put your body in a position that it's never been before. All you have to do is increase your volume, your training volume, your intensity. So if you're doing like a circuit workout, maybe you're doing just 5 rounds of something right now. Increase that to 6 rounds or 7 rounds and decrease that rest time between each round every week or so, and also increase the amount of rounds. So as you continue to add on rounds or also decrease rest time, you are putting your body under more tension that it has previously experienced, so it is forced to adapt. With that being said, you will end up burning more fat and you will get leaner. Your body has no other choice. Hopefully you found this tip helpful. Comment down below what you want to see next, and I'll see you next time.